Hi, welcome to Hardware Info. In this video I can show you how to update your model in your 5G model on your ACER Connect X6E. So guys, to do that you should open your ACER admin panel. If you don't know how to do that, watch my video about it. Maybe you will find it here on the right top corner of this screen. And then just on this dash panel, just find System and find here Firmware Update and find model version. But firstly, until you click Check Now, you should click Check for the new firmware. And if you don't have new firmware and you have information that you have the latest firmware version, so then you can click Check New. And as you can see, my ACER Connect X6E has new model available, so just click download and wait for about several seconds maybe, and then you will see this message. Update will take about 4 minutes. Device will restart when update is complete. So now I will click update button and click on and I will speed up this video until this time. So during this time, don't power off your ACER device, and it can take about 4 minutes. If it takes more than 10 minutes, it means that something goes wrong, but if it's under 10 minutes, so you're still in good pace. So okay, after several minutes I can log into my router again, and I should enter my SIM pin. And now let's check the model version, and as you can see I have latest model version. So that's it guys, hope this video was helpful for you, so please consider to leave a like and a comment below.